How to make any woman miss you badly, even if she's not interested. Building a connection with someone and making them miss you can feel like a challenging task, especially if they don't initially show interest. However, by understanding human psychology and employing a few subtle yet powerful strategies, you can become someone she thinks about constantly. This guide will explore techniques that can spark curiosity, build emotional connections, and create a lasting impression even if she wasn't initially interested. Whether it's through maintaining mystery, showing genuine appreciation, or creating unforgettable experiences, these tips will help you make her miss you badly. Chapter 1. Understanding the psychology of attraction. Attraction is often rooted in psychology, and understanding how emotional connections are formed can give you an edge in making someone miss you. Humans are naturally drawn to mystery and things they cannot easily have, which is why creating an air of intrigue can be so effective. When you maintain a sense of mystery, it sparks curiosity and compels her to think about you more often, wondering about the parts of you she doesn't yet know. This intrigue can create a mental and emotional connection, even if she wasn't initially interested. Additionally, the psychological concept of scarcity plays a significant role. When something or someone isn't readily available, they tend to be more valued. This is where the phrase, "absence makes the heart grow fonder," comes into play. By giving her space and not always being readily available, you create a sense of scarcity that can heighten her feelings of attraction. This balance between being present and maintaining a slight distance can make her miss you and appreciate your presence more when you're around. Chapter 2. Creating a memorable first impression. A strong first impression is crucial when trying to make a lasting impact on someone. Confidence and authenticity are key components that can help you stand out. When you approach her with genuine confidence, it signals that you are comfortable with who you are, which is inherently attractive. Authenticity, on the other hand, shows that you are real and sincere, not trying to be someone you're not. This combination creates a magnetic presence that leaves a positive, lasting impression, making her more likely to think about you even after your initial encounter. Additionally, non-verbal cues such as body language and eye contact play a significant role in creating a memorable first impression. Positive body language like standing tall, open gestures, and maintaining good eye contact communicates self-assurance and interest. Engaging her in meaningful conversation rather than surface-level small talk also helps in establishing a deeper connection. When she feels seen and heard, it creates an emotional imprint, making her more likely to miss your presence and the way you made her feel during your interaction. Chapter 3. Building emotional connection. Building an emotional connection is essential for creating a bond that makes someone miss you. Emotional connections go beyond physical attraction and tap into deeper feelings of trust, understanding, and empathy. By engaging her in meaningful conversations and showing genuine interest in her thoughts and feelings, you create a space where she feels comfortable and valued. Active listening is crucial here. When she feels heard and understood, it fosters a sense of closeness and makes her more likely to develop an emotional attachment to you. Sharing experiences is another powerful way to build emotional connections. Whether it's a shared hobby, a memorable outing, or simply spending quality time together, these moments create positive associations that linger in her mind. The emotional highs from these experiences can make her miss your presence when you're not around, as she recalls the feelings of happiness and connection you provided. The stronger the emotional bond, the more likely she is to think about you and long for your company. Chapter 4. The Art of Subtle Pursuit. Mastering the art of subtle pursuit is about striking the right balance between showing interest and giving her space. It's important to express your interest without overwhelming her or coming across as too eager. This means being attentive and thoughtful, but not overly persistent. Small gestures, like occasional messages or thoughtful compliments, can show you care without being intrusive. By allowing her to miss you during periods of less frequent contact, you create an opportunity for her to appreciate your presence more. Another key aspect of subtle pursuit is using social media and digital communication wisely. Engaging with her posts occasionally or sending light-hearted texts can keep you on her radar without being too intense. The goal is to be present in her life, just enough to stay in her thoughts, but not so much that it feels suffocating. By maintaining this delicate balance, you keep the connection alive while giving her the space to realize she misses you when you're not constantly around. Chapter 5. Becoming irresistible. Through self-improvement. Self-improvement is a powerful way to enhance your attractiveness and make her miss you. When you focus on personal growth, you not only improve your own life, but also become more intriguing and desirable to others. Developing new skills, pursuing hobbies, and setting personal goals demonstrate that you are driven and passionate, which are highly attractive traits. This commitment to self-betterment shows that you are confident and independent, qualities that can make her more curious about you and eager to be a part of your journey. Moreover, self-improvement boosts your self-confidence, which naturally makes you more appealing. When you exude confidence, it creates a positive energy that others are drawn to. This newfound self-assurance can change how she perceives you, making her more likely to miss your presence when you're not around. By consistently working on yourself and becoming the best version of who you are, you not only enhance your own life, but also leave a lasting impression that makes her think about you more often. Chapter 6. Creating unforgettable moments. Creating unforgettable moments is a powerful way to ensure she remembers you and misses your presence. Unique and meaningful experiences leave a lasting impact because they evoke strong emotions. Whether it's planning a thoughtful date, surprising her with something she loves, or simply sharing a heartfelt conversation, these moments become memories she will cherish. When she looks back on these positive experiences, she'll associate those feelings of joy and connection with you, making her more likely to miss you when you're not around. Small, thoughtful gestures also play a significant role in creating lasting impressions. It's not always about grand gestures. Sometimes the little things like remembering her favorite drink or sending an encouraging message can make a big difference. These actions show that you care and are attentive, which deepens the emotional connection. By consistently creating moments that make her feel special, you leave an indelible mark on her heart, ensuring that she thinks of you fondly and misses your presence when you're apart. Chapter 7. Leveraging absence to build desire. Leveraging absence effectively can heighten her desire and make her miss you more. When you're always available, it can diminish the sense of urgency or excitement in the relationship. By giving her space and not always being immediately accessible, you create a sense of scarcity, which can make your presence feel more valuable. This time apart allows her to reflect on your interactions and appreciate your qualities, fostering a sense of longing for your company. However, it's important to strike the right balance when using absence to build desire. Disappearing entirely or for too long can lead to disinterest or confusion. The key is to create moments of absence that leave her wanting more without making her feel neglected. When you return, re-engage with genuine enthusiasm and meaningful interactions, reinforcing the connection. This ebb and flow of presence and absence keeps the relationship dynamic and ensures that she misses you during the times you're not around. Conclusion. How to make any woman miss you badly, even if she's not interested. Making a woman miss you, even if she's not initially interested, is about creating a connection that leaves a lasting emotional impact. By understanding the psychology of attraction, building emotional bonds, and being a confident, intriguing presence, you lay the foundation for someone to think about you when you're not around. Subtle pursuit, the ability to create unforgettable moments, and the art of balancing absence with attention all play pivotal roles in making her miss you. However, it's crucial to remember that genuine connections take time and should always be built on respect and mutual understanding. If she doesn't feel the same way, handling rejection gracefully and focusing on personal growth ensures that you continue to move forward with confidence. By cultivating mystery, maintaining independence, and remaining authentic, you create a dynamic that keeps her engaged and thinking about you long after your interactions. Ultimately, the key is patience, consistency, and the ability to be emotionally available without being overly dependent, allowing her to miss you and yearn for more of your presence.